In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kajabi Scheduler for coaching. Kajabi Scheduler is designed to remove the usual back and forth that happens when clients are trying to find a time to meet with you. Instead of emailing back and forth to book, reschedule, or access a session, you can set everything up directly inside your Kajabi coaching product. In this walkthrough, we'll go from the main dashboard all the way through creating a coaching program, setting your availability, and connecting your calendar so your schedule stays accurate. Start by logging into your Kajabi dashboard. Once you're in, go to Products and then click Coaching. From there, open Programs and choose New Coaching Program to begin creating your offer. Now you'll be asked to enter the basic details for the program. Type in the title for your coaching program, and if you want, you can also add a coach name. After that, enter a description. This part is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to clarify what the program includes or who it's for. You can also upload a thumbnail image if you'd like the program to have a more polished look inside your Kajabi account. Once those details are in place, click Continue. Next, choose your program type. Kajabi lets you decide whether this will be a single session or a package with multiple sessions. Pick the one that matches your coaching offer, then enter how many sessions are included if needed. After that, click Continue again. You'll now move into the scheduling setup, which is where Kajabi Scheduler comes into play. In the scheduling preference area, open the drop-down menu and select Kajabi Scheduler. This tells Kajabi that clients will be booking through the built-in scheduling system instead of using a separate manual process. For the session location, choose built-in live video if you want the session to happen directly inside Kajabi. That's often the simplest option because it keeps the whole experience in one place. If you prefer to use a custom meeting link, you can enter that instead. Then set the session duration. Common options are 30, 45, or 60 minutes, depending on how your coaching is structured. When that's done, click Continue. You'll also see an option to customize your program's appearance. Open that section, make any visual adjustments you want, and then click Continue. After that, go to the pricing section for your coaching program. Here you can decide whether the program is free or paid, and if you're not ready to set pricing yet, you can skip that part for now. Once the coaching program has been created, open the Settings tab inside that new program. Scroll down until you reach the Scheduling section. This is where you'll control when clients are actually able to book. Turn on the custom availability toggle. With that enabled, you can click on individual days and define your working hours. For example, you might make yourself available Monday through Thursday during a certain block of time. The goal here is to reflect the schedule you realistically want clients to see. After that, set your start time increments. This controls how often new appointment times appear, such as every 30 minutes. Then choose your open date range, which determines how far into the future clients are allowed to book. This is useful if you want to keep your calendar flexible while still giving people enough advance options. Next, configure your session limits and buffers. Add buffer time before or after calls if you need space to prepare, take notes, or avoid back-to-back meetings. You can also require a minimum notice, such as booking at least 24 hours in advance. These settings help protect your time and create a smoother coaching workflow. Once everything looks right, click Save. Now, go back to Coaching, then open Settings. In the Calendar section, connect your external calendar such as Google Calendar, Microsoft 365, or Outlook. Sign into the calendar account you want to use and allow the integration. Once connected, Kajabi can recognize times when you're already busy and block those from being booked. At this point, your Kajabi scheduler setup for coaching is in place. Your program is created, your availability is defined, your booking rules are set, and your calendar is connected so clients can book around your real schedule.